What's up? What's up? What's up? It's good to be back. And if you don't know who I am, allow me to introduce myself. This is B Roots, the face of crypto and EDM. What is going on? It's been a while since you've seen me on YouTube, but I think this is a great time to come back. So B Roots is back. I want to thank all my loyal subscribers, those who have added me on Twitter. We've had some great conversations going on, some great debates, what's good, what's bad, when the market's going to go up, day trading. Yes, if you watch all my videos, I said no to day trading. But if you've been adding me on Twitter and following my moves, I'm not telling you to do my moves, but if you were following my moves, we would have been making some good money. And if you didn't, well, that's okay, because it's always good to hodl also. However, we talked a little bit about it on Twitter. Does TA actually work? And I believe in instances it does work. But when you have Bitcoin EFTs and news markets, and right now it's a very tight situation. Everyone's waiting for Bitcoin price to go up. Everybody's waiting for all the altcoins to just skyrocket straight to the moon. You got to throw away the TA. I'm sorry, because one news article will throw off all technical analysis, because people will FOMO hard into the coins and the value will skyrocket up, and there's no TA that can see that coming. I'm sorry, it can't be done. So, as I stated on my Twitter, I would go over a little bit what happened. I did a lot of swing trading with my Matrix AI, the best blockchain there is, the best blockchain there was, and the best blockchain there ever will be. And I gained 2,700 extra Matrix AI tokens. Ka-ching! That was awesome. I was glad to see that. Some of it was very nerve-wracking, but, I actually made out on it. Now, my 0x, the next coin I feel that will be on Coinbase, and I've been saying this for a while now. If you've been adding me on Twitter, you would know this. But if you don't have me on Twitter, you're not going to know my daily thoughts and what I think in, our daily conversations. However, 0x, I do think that will make it to Coinbase first. You've heard it here. You heard it before they came out for the announcements. I lost some money on 0x. A Coinbase announcement came out, even though I already knew. An announcement came out, and then boom, I lost about $150. Not a lot, not a big deal. However, it's still a loss. A loss is a loss. So in the end, I made a bunch of money. Not a bunch of money, but a good amount of money through Matrix AI, but lost some money on 0x. That's why I feel that TA doesn't necessarily help, because it helps to make money, but when a news article comes out, you can be screwed out of your trade. So there it is. Those for adding me on Twitter. There's my little analysis on TA. With that said, this is not why you're here. You are here because I'm going to give you the 5 mistakes that new cryptocurrency traders usually make. So if you're excited for that video, hit me up with a like spike. If you're new to this channel, add me, subscribe me. It's free to you, free information for a video. And then make sure you check out all my other videos. And then check out my B Roots website at IMBRoots. You can check out my tax spreadsheet video for all those who are trading and not planning on paying taxes. You better do so. This video explains all of that. I'm also an EDM producer, so make sure you check out my newest music. My latest track is called Quick Flip. Awesome track. So let's get started. Let's check out the coin market cap and let me refresh where we're at. We are sitting at a whopping, so slow, $282 billion market cap. And as you see, Bitcoin right now at 7409. Looks like money is coming back into the altcoins. Bitcoin Diamond just shot up like no other. Where the hell did that come from? 78% now ranked at number 24. It's crazy. So there's some crazy moves being happening. I wouldn't be too, like I said, the day trading right now, it's just too crazy of a market right now. It's too tight. I don't think it's smart to be day trading. But we're all about hodling over here in the B Roots community. So there it is. That's our market cap. I do think we're going to go lower. I think it's going to test a little lower. I do think this is a potential bull trap. And I think we're going to test the low one more time before that bull market arrives. Either way, I've got some good advice coming about the Bitcoin EFT by the SEC. I think it's going to be huge information that I'm going to bring to you. So stay tuned on that. Make sure you add me on Twitter. Let's get to the video of what we decided to speak about. So, top mistakes new crypto investors make. Once again, hit me up with a like spike. The likes help the video so more people can actually see it. So if you're watching it, take a few seconds right now and please hit me up with a like spike. And also, as I said, if you have not been subscribed to me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell button so you are notified of great information coming to you. And once again, add me on Twitter. My Twitter handle, as you can see, at IMBRoots. Best way to get a hold of me. So, whether you're entirely new to investing or you're a seasoned trader in the financial markets, the cryptocurrency space has many pitfalls. We all know that, and it needs to be avoided by all means. While trading new assets can be scary, the right knowledge and proper planning of these markets can be avoided almost entirely. I cannot say that anymore. Harder than that, you need to avoid these things. So it allows cryptocurrency, whether you're young and old, if you've been in the game, it does not matter. You need to make sure you're reminded of this because sometimes money takes over the brain. If you're new, you're 100% going to do these things. And that's why this video is awesome to help you avoid and make the best of your cryptocurrency investments. So the number one mistake that they make: falling prey to FOMO. Number one, do not FOMO. So what is FOMO? FOMO is considered as fear of missing out. And it's the biggest trap for most new investors. And even seasoned traders actually get their emotions the best of their emotions, and they fall prey to it. It is what it is. It's hard when you hear something come out, but do not fall to FOMO. Do not prey to FOMO. Many times investors is going to see a coin going up in price and they just get anxious. They feel like they're going to miss out, and it's the rocket has taken off to the moon. But unfortunately, what a lot of people don't end up knowing is that they're buying at the top and they lose a significant portion of their capital when the coin comes crashing back down to earth. They go all the way up to the moon and it comes back down. There are plenty of instances that have done this. If you invested in December and January, most likely you were starting to buy at the top. And look at where we are at now. When a coin comes out let's look at Quark Chain. When Quark Chain came out into the let's look at here. I'll give you an example. Quark Chain. If you were on my Twitter, you would have known this, and I explained this exactly what was going to happen. Everybody was FOMOing from the beginning. The Quark Chain, ICO was a little over 3 cents. And if you look right here, it came out and went up to 32 cents. Times 15 right off the bat. And the reason for that is because people FOMO'd in. And it just went down. People took their profits. And look where it's at now. 7 cents. So in order for those people that bought at 30 cents to get gains, they got to get back up to 30 cents. Because right now they're down a crazy amount of their investments. So do not FOMO. I'm telling you, that is the biggest trap of all cryptocurrency. Do not FOMO. Next it's almost the opposite of this. Panic selling. It's what happens when the fear of missing out phase ended. You fearfully missed out, and now all of a sudden you want to panic sell because you see the price going down. A new investor who just lost a significant portion of their portfolio becomes panicked, and they begin to sell, hoping not to lose anymore. Well, you just lost all your money. You need to hold then if you do that. But if you never bought at the high and you start at the low, you would have never panic sold. See where I'm going with this? So you're hoping not to lose anymore, but you've already lost a lot. So fortunately, you'll lose and you sell at the bottom, and it simply removes any ability to regain the investment capital that was made. In the coming weeks, he cringes as the price of the recently sold coins then allows itself to recover. That's crazy. Like, it's the worst situation. There's certainly a time and place for selling. Yes, there is. We all know that. But the end of a dip is typically not the time. You have to hold when you're at the dip. So you hold and you buy low, you sell high. You don't buy high and sell low. That's not how you're going to make money in investing. Most investors do better to wait their chosen token to tick back up before selling, and then you sell at a profit. So do not panic sell. Number 3, investing without doing any research. I bring you many tokens. There's many high-end cryptocurrency people that bring you many tokens and explain it to you. But you are not doing yourself a favor if you do not do your own research. And the reason for this is because when there are those dips, those crashes, and all cryptocurrency comes crashing down, you look at it and you say, I'm not investing in this. You're not even emotionally invested in it because you don't even know the technology because you never did the research. So therefore, you didn't do any research. You blindly invested. It didn't go your way. And then you bail out and you panic sell. Well, you don't want to do that. If you do your research, you find confidence in the product, and therefore you then can hold it out when there's a long bear period or there's a crash or something goes wrong within the cryptocurrency. Pure example, car vertical. Everyone's always asking me on my Twitter, you're still in the car vertical? It hasn't went up. That is okay because I understand the technology and I understand where they're going with it, and I'm fine with it being down right now because all I'm doing is accumulating. So that's okay. If you have that confidence in that product, you're good. So keep that in mind. Investors are new to the space, are confused about many aspects of the cryptocurrency. They just are. It's important that new investors research every investment opportunity properly before putting any money into them. Period. You wouldn't just give your money to any investment, so do the research first. Taking financial advice from random internet people is not going to make you money in the long term. You will get hit one time, at least one time. So when you choose an investment, ask yourself several questions. What are the cases for the coin or the token? How well put together is their marketing plan? Who are their competitors? There's so many online tools that can help you gather this information, and there's no reason to be unprepared when you get inside an investment. So, do not invest without doing your research. Buying more than you can afford. I've seen some horror stories with this. I It's hard to explain, but I've seen some like some people that has attacked me on Twitter, and I'm just like, it's not my fault. You didn't follow the rules of investing. You came in blindly, and that's what this video is for. So investors that are new to the space may be confused many aspects of cryptocurrency. And it's important that new investors research every investment. So therefore, once again, that you can buy into the coin. But if you buy more than you can afford, you're putting yourself at risk. So you don't want to do that. Most investors hope to make quick buck. The quick buck, that's what it is usually. I mean, that's the problem. So they expect to receive from cryptocurrency, and they're tempted to invest money, which has no place being invested in the first place. They're taking out their 401k. They're taking out their savings. They're taking out their dinner fund, their baby's sports fund, and different things like that. Don't do it because, yes, you can make the quick buck sometimes, but a lot of times you can lose it. It's not worth it. Many people that are new to space, they've done their rent money, college tuition. I've even heard taking out mortgages on their houses for it. Crypto is volatile, guys. It's unwise to put money which you may need to access in short term in a volatile market. You just do not do it. Instead, you find an investment which you can afford. There are many promising projects in the space. VeChain, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Many good long-term projects. Car Vertical. Not financial advice. They're just my investments. But you just don't invest more than you can afford. If all you can invest is a couple $100, then that's all you should invest. There's no reason to go crazy and try to get that quick buck, because you can get trashed. And last, not diversifying their investments. Putting all your eggs in one basket and saying, I am going all in on this coin. Usually in the investment world, it's not recommended. So keep that in mind. I diversify my investments, and it's very important. That means not only investing in cryptocurrency assets, but also in other less volatile ones as well. If you're lucky enough to gain on your cryptocurrency assets, it's a smart idea to pull it out and put it somewhere else. Whether it means diversifying additional coins in different sectors, or in something more stable, such as gold, silver. Well, gold is not that great right now, but silver or property. It's up to you. However, it's not a good idea to put everything in the cryptocurrency. It's not a good idea to put everything into your house. It's not a good idea to put everything into gold or silver or anything else that you want to put it all into. Not recommended. So things like this could be useful not only for preserving wealth in the case of a disaster, but having assets outside of crypto market could also provide you with greater buying power during a dip to pick up quality coins of tokens that are in trading at a large discount. This is how it's done. Right now we're in a discount phase, but I do feel that we're going to go even lower. So there you have it. Just some tips. This channel is all about giving tips and helping out the new investor, helping out the cryptocurrency world, and to make smart decisions. Once again, you can go on my webpage, imbRoots.com. You can check out my tutorials. I've got a plethora of tutorials, everything that you look into. I've got some of my new music going out. You can even check out my newest music video, Bitcoin to the Moon. Very entertaining video, so you should check that out. Also, like I said, check out my cryptocurrency tax spreadsheet. $25. However, the first 500 buyers get a nice little discount. You can find that by watching my cryptocurrency taxes video. And that's right on my webpage, imbroots.com. So there it is. Make sure you add me on Twitter at imbroots, and that will allow you to get some of my instant thoughts throughout the day on what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. It is glad to be back. I am going to be making more videos, and I hope you subscribe so you can see those videos. And on your way out, make sure you hit me up with a like spike. With that said, this is Roots signing out. Thank you for watching.